Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about a survey on pets. It says class 6 are doing a survey. It's just a posh word for a questionnaire. They're asking a questionnaire. They're trying to find out some research and carry out some research about what sort of pets people have. They ask 20 people this question. How many pets do you own? The results are shown in the bar chart. We've got number of pets owned along the bottom and number of people up the side. How many pets in total do these people own? Well, all we've got to do is correctly interpret what each bar is saying. The bar that's on 0 pets means that 6 people have no pets. So that's 6 lots of 0 pets. Well, 6 lots of no pets would be no pets. The next bar is 7 people have 1 pet. So that's 7 lots of 1. Well, 7 lots of 1 pet is 7 pets. The next bar, 4 people have 2 pets. So 4 people have 2 pets each. So that's 4 lots of 2 is 8 pets. And the smallest bar is 3 people have 3 pets. So 3 lots of 3 pets is 9 pets. Now we've basically gathered all the information we need to get to our final answer. So we've got this 0 amount of pets, 7 pets, 8 pets and 9 pets. And all we need to do now is add those together. So it's 0 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, and that will give us the total amount of pets. Well, 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, and 15 plus 9 is 24 pets. So the final answer is 24.